So the stitch I'm going to talk you through today is spiderweb stitch. You can see that I've already put a contrast 8-pronged star on my fabric, and now all I'm going to do is I'm going to come up in the colour that I want the spiderweb to be in, and I'm going to lay the thread to the right, but I'm going to pass the needle to the left. So you pass it to the left under the first one, and then you're just going to pass it under another one as well. So you've laid the thread to the right and passed to the left underneath 2 prongs. Then you're just going to do the same thing. So lay the thread to the right and then pass the thread under the next 2 prongs to the left. And again, lay the thread to the right, pass the thread under the next 2 prongs. Okay, so you can see that I'm starting to build up almost little twists on each of the prongs. I'm going to speed this next bit up so you can see what I'm doing, and then I will show you how to finish it off. So one of the things that might help you when you're doing this stitch is to use a blunt needle. I haven't, but I should have done, because then you're not going to catch the fabric or the spokes as you're going around the star shape, the web. And another thing you want to think about is whether you want to take it all the way to the edge of the spokes. I'm not actually going to do that. I'm going to finish mine off now to show you how to do that. But you could go all the way to the edge if you wanted. And you can see that it's actually filling up behind the spokes as well, so you almost end up with a relief just above your fabric as well as the top stitching. So I'm just going to show you how to finish it off. I'm going to go under the first spoke like I would normally, get to the second, I'm just going to push it through the fabric. And then I'm just going to pull it like I would normally, just to create that last stitch there. And if you wanted to, which I am going to, you might want to come up in the centre, possibly with a contrast colour. I've only got this one threaded at the moment, and just go back down with a French knot to finish it off. So there you go, that was the spider web stitch, which could work very well in florals or as a little bit of texture, depends what you're doing, or obviously a spider web too.